So, next exercise natin, Ma'am Lilac, is, ayan, alam ko may cable pulley kayo doon sa rack po ninyo. So, option naman natin, bands. Hindi pa dumating yung pulley ko, kaya bands mo na yung papakita ko. So, tricep push down, working your triceps pa rin. Ito yung active recovery natin from the battle rope workout, and then after natin dalawang workout, battle rope tayo ulit. Okay, so pakita natin. For this tricep isolation natin, ayan, slide bend sa paa, asa knees, abs brace, core, then exhale down, inhale up, check elbow close to your body. Parang reverse ng bicep curls po ito. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Check hindi sumasama yung elbows natin, ha? Keep it locked. Slide bend sa knees para solid yung base natin. So, exhale down, inhale, exhale, inhale. Tapos hindi mag-arch yung likod masyado. Keep it tight. Okay? So, working your triceps. Isolating. Alright? So, kunyari, bands yung gamit natin. Pwede nating taasan yung hawak para mas mabigat yung resistance niya. Alright? So, yun. Kung may pulley tayo. Okay pa?